Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to read 10 lines essay on the lion. So let us begin. Lion is the biggest wild animal in the cat family. Lion is the king of the jungle. Lion is a carnivorous animal. It eats the flesh of other animals. The female lion is known as lioness. Lion's neck is covered with long hair known as mane. Only male lions have mane and lioness is maneless. The young one of a lion is known as a cub. It lives in a den. Lions are mostly found in Africa. It is one of the strongest wild animals found in forest. Thank you everyone for watching my video till the end. If you liked my video, then do like and share my video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel Excellence. Thank you once again.